All right, Fred, see you then. A neighborhood's trust, perfect for thieves looking to get in and out quickly. Some 36 people in Cohasset woke up this morning to find their cars broken into. And Ted Daniel, many of the victims are neighbors.
Yeah, Mike, it's only about 6 streets, all in the center of the town, the streets near the high school. Police say at least 36 cars were broken into last night, and this is how the thieves did it. They simply opened up the door. All the cars were unlocked, and it made for easy pickings.
It was right in the center console, in the car. Oh,
it's locked now.
Now it's locked.
At the Monahan home on Clay Spring Road, both vehicles locked up tight. It's the new normal for PJ Monahan. Thieves sold sunglasses and prescription meds out of his car, and this from his wife.
Her entire purse, so her identification, cash, credit cards, just everything, her checkbook.
One street over.
This is exactly how it was left.
2 more vehicles at the Carney home. Brian Carney says he's not sure if the thieves actually took anything from him.
This neighborhood is unbelievable. It's all young families with kids. The kids ride the bikes around, and it's definitely not something I would have expected.
Cohasset police say the 36 cars targeted overnight were all in a 6-street area, one driveway after another.
It's been fairly hectic. The first report came in around 8:15 a.m. this morning, and we've been fielding reports all day long.
One of those reports came from the Evans home. Here, thieves broke into 3 cars.
It must have happened after midnight because my son was just got home around that time, and his car was affected.
Locking your car, the best way to avoid being a target. Robert Siciliano, a security expert with BestHomeSecurityCompany.com, has others.
Secure the perimeter of your property using motion-sensitive lighting. With motion-sensitive lighting, the moment that someone walks in your yard, they'll be noticed.
Do you lock them now?
Oh, yeah. Yep, absolutely.
That from a lot of people tonight. The police sergeant we spoke with says he can't remember this many break-ins happening in one period of time ever in this town. Police are asking if anyone may have seen something out of the ordinary last night or heard somebody talking about this to give them a call. Reporting live in Cohasset, Ted Daniel, Fox 25 News.